Greetings everyone. The fact that I am answering this table topic which was posted yesterday, how disciplined are you in life, truly talks about my own indiscipline. This topic, how disciplined you are in life, which was posted yesterday and which I am replying today, clearly shows my lack of consistency. What does that mean? Should I stop? Friends, life goes on. We all face multiple challenges, but the question is, are we willing to let go of our shortcomings, lack of discipline, and yet at the same time coming back and rectifying those mistakes? To honestly answer this question, I feel there is enormous scope of improvement to discipline myself in my own life, whether it's waking up on time, reporting to office, coming back, doing my accounting work properly. So there are immense scope of improvement and lots of areas of discipline, whether it's my own Toastmasters club meeting where I've been indisciplined for a very long time. It's been a while that I have not attended proper Toastmasters meeting because of lack of discipline. So yes, I have been indisciplined for a lot period of time, and I think it's high time that this topic which Toastmaster Deepa has posted, this topic which clearly shows that yes, I need to keep my life discipline. We all need to keep our life discipline, and it's only when we keep a proper discipline is when we'll be able to achieve a lifestyle which we truly desire. So friends, it's okay to be indisciplined, but at the same time let's make sure that we work on them, being more consistent, being more committed, and if there are mistakes which happen, let's not curse ourselves in that process. After all, we are all human beings, so mistakes do happen, we do fall, we do become indisciplined at times, but the most important thing is to keep going once there is a break in momentum. So, friends, I urge you to be committed, to be gentle on yourself, and bounce back when you are lack of discipline.